I'm going to show how clogged up that line is. You can see right there that feeds into the T, and quite a bit of stuff. So I'm going to unclog that line. My vacuum puts such a strong suction, -5 psi, that it's able to draw out everything from in that line there. Here you see the debris that I got just out of the little line. See all the sludge down there? The sewer lines have enough flow, they're able to wash that stuff out, but the condensate lines, the flow just is a trickle and it can't get the debris out. Okay, here's what the main looks like. Yeah, it's clogged up right there. Okay, to get that one unclogged, I had to first pressurize it, 800 psi CO2, using my hand, which I could probably only get about maybe 30 or 40 psi on the pipe. Then, because the suction wasn't breaking it, and then when I applied the suction, I didn't have the video on, but the hose was jumping like crazy as it's sucking it out. So I did get all this out. And actually pulled it straight up from the downstairs. And let's see what we got in here. And you can see how much more. It's the same thing, it's just collecting in the pipes. This is like a grit. Oh, rust. You see how it's just rust flakes. You look at it really close. So the rust is just going to hang out in the bottom of the pipe and then just start clogging it. So the snake isn't going to really do much on it. You got to get something to get some flow. Suck that out. I'm going to go dump this outside. So this is what's clogging up the drain, and this is why you can't, I mean, that's just solid. You could pick it up with a magnet. The snakes aren't going to do anything. You got to have something good flow to get this stuff out of the mains. And that's just solid rust. It will just hang out, you know, as soon as you get an elbow in the bottom, that rust will just hang out down there and just clog up the drain. Okay, so now I'm going to see if the drain is clear. I just sucked out all that rust. And blast it with pressurized CO2. Water actually works better, but I'm not set up yet for water hoses out here. So I use CO2, the next best thing. Yeah, now we got full flow. There's no back pressure. So that drain's cleared. I'll hit it one more time with the suction. Set up my machine here. Like I was saying, I can suck straight up 11 feet. Most powerful vacuum you can run off of AC power. This drain has been cleaned, the main that is. Look inside, we did get some more out. So like I was saying, the snake doesn't really do anything except poke a hole in it. You gotta remove the clog completely. And these drains aren't like a toilet, you know, you can't just flush it. You gotta get some flow, so get a little bit more rust out of it. Not bad, I'll dump that outside. And now I'll rebuild that. There was a T that was broken down there. I'll go ahead and rebuild that.